I initially started COSTAATT in a very transitional stage in my life. I had left college, I had started engineering, studying engineering, and I wasn't working at the time. And while I was home, I just was going through a couple institutions, universities, and I saw that COSTAATT was offering the BA in Mass Communications. Now, I've always had an intense passion for writing, for communicating, for the media. And when I saw that COSTAATT was offering such a program that would have entailed all of those things, I said, okay, let me give this thing a shot. The opportunities that were presented and the doors that were opened before me that I have been through due to this degree program was one I never thought I would have started with. I was able to go through a workshop program with the columnist B.C. Perez, someone as a child I read and was very much inspired by. I was able to meet him, get some mentorship and training under him. I also was able to publish a few articles for the Trinidad Express in the internship program that was offered by COSTAATT. I've met so many great lecturers who have taught me as a person how to become more patient, kind, humble, how to support and work with others while assisting and building each of us up. This is something that I really want to apply into my personal life. I want to meet more people, help them, support them, use the knowledge I have to build them up. And this is something that this degree program taught me. It made me into a lot more mature, competent person. COSTAATT offers you an opportunity where you can grow, expand in your knowledge in whatever field of study you wish to apply to. And not only that, it will make you a more complete person. You will meet people, the experiences you will gain while at the institution will be something that you will forever cherish and remember. The connections, the networking, the friends, the lecturers, this entire COSTAATT program, it's like a family almost.